Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts from scratch. First, let's get organized. Before you begin, gather all your ingredients and necessary equipment. It's crucial to ensure your yeast is active. Proof it in warm milk or water with a pinch of sugar until it becomes foamy. Precision is key in baking, so measure all your ingredients carefully for the best results and a consistent texture every time. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. Combine your dry ingredients, then gradually add the wet mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth, elastic, and springs back when gently poked. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, usually for about 1 hour. Hey everyone, if you're finding this donut making guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, just like a good donut recipe can change your morning, a good book can change your life. I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth if you're looking to truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape our donuts. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your shapes, including the center hole. Carefully lower them into hot oil, maintaining a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. This step requires attention to ensure even cooking and that perfect donut texture. Don't overcrowd the fryer, as this can lower the oil temperature. The final touch for our delicious donuts is the glaze. While your donuts are still warm, but not hot, prepare a simple glaze by whisking powdered sugar with a little milk or water until smooth. You can add a touch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. Let any excess glaze drip off before placing them on a wire rack. This allows the glaze to set perfectly, giving you that classic donut finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.